So tasty. Oh, it looks so yummy. My goodness, look at that. That little watermelon filled this container. This is very sweet, just how I like it. Strawberries, washing it with salt to kill some germs in it. My yummy fruit for the week. I like the juicy part of the fruits, the watermelon. Really, really juicy. All right, gonna save this in the fridge. Okay, that's gonna for a few days. Oh, come enjoy with me. Very juicy and delicious. Look how juicy it is. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Anytime you see this video, please comment and like, and let me know what kind of fruits you like in the comment section. Do you like watermelon, strawberry? These are my favorites, particularly the watermelons. I love sweet watermelon. All right, see you next time. Peace out. Thank you for watching. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button and please like the video. Please subscribe and click the like button so that YouTube would suggest this video to other people that might want to see it, and also share the videos. But most importantly, thank you for watching, and come back, check out my playlist. I have a bunch of videos there. You can see one thing or two that you like to watch, and let me know what you want to see me video that you want to see. I'll try my best to make it. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Melon and strawberries. Summer is coming, so we're just gonna be eating this so often. Thank you. Bye.